Hey guys, we bought this pots. It's 3-piece set. It's 3 pots inside. So I'm just gonna show you how do they look like. They're beautiful pots, guys. So we bought the gold color, not the silver. We opted for gold because I really liked how it blends well with my stove. So I'll show you how do they look like. They're so beautiful and they are non-stick, guys. So this is the 3-pot set. This one is the large one, the medium and the small one. So you see them, guys. They are so nice. They went for 450 rands. So affordable. Yes, these are my new pots. No more cooking with the old pots. Yeah, bro.
JT.
She's a vlogger.
JT.
Follow her.
JT.
She makes some calls.
JT. Hey. JT.
She's advertising.
JT. Hey. JT.
Hosting competitions.
JT. Hey.
Giveaway.
Hey. JT got the sauce. Hey. JT.
Hi Scotties, it's your girl Miguel JT. Wanyana go chokwa. Ramalepo dear. Tabeng, the madam of Sabawa. So Sabawa no more because I am here. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. To my returning, my day one, my gang, Danka. If you're a new subby, welcome to the family. I hope you love me. I hope you fall in love and I hope you stay. And if you're still watching outside the club, why not? Please subscribe. Yes, it's Vlogmas time. As I promised that I'll be vlogging 2 or 3 videos for this month because I'm always working, guys. So nothing it's interesting in my life because I'm always working. Even now I'm opening this vlog at work, like literally I'm always working. So in this vlog we're gonna be seeing a little bit of shopping. Yes, gonna be doing a little bit of shopping and then other things in between also. So again, what's gonna happen on the next vlog, that's when I'll be doing my hair, and then also maybe it will be around Christmas time. We'll do a little bit of photo shoot, Christmas photo shoot. I'll take you along on that. Yes, I'm still waiting for my daughter to come to Gauteng so that we do that. Yes, it's a Sunday, guys. So today I'm wearing casual. I'm not wearing uniform as usual. Yes, so I'll show you the fit for the day, for work. Literally it's for work, guys, but it's the fit for the day. I'll show you the fit for the day and then vlogging, hair peeling. It's Christmas time. Vlogmas, baby. Episode 1. Yay! So this is the fit for the day. I'm wearing my identity shirt, yes, as usual, and then I'm carrying my Luella handbag. And then the shirt, it's from Mr. Price, and the shoes, I'm wearing my Luella shoes from Foschini, the bag Foschini, and then the shirt identity, and then I'm wearing this fun trouser from Pick n Pay clothing. That's pretty much the fit for the day. Yes. Hey guys, it's later in the day. Excuse the noise, the children playing outside, and also I'll put on a fan, guys. It's too hot. Yes, so I need to do a little bit of unboxing. So we bought a Snow Master fruit dessert maker. So I'm just gonna show you how it is inside. This was going for 99. It's on a special. It's 100 rands, guys. They finished them just like that. You know, when I went to the shelf, it was just one left. So this is the way it is. It's still sealed, still new, as you can see. But we did open it just to check if everything is all right. So this is, I think this is the thing. What do they call this? I'll check in the menu for you. And then this is the machine over here. I'm struggling, guys, because I'm using one hand. Yes, this is the machine over here. So let me check. Oh, let me check what is this. Okay, the parts are the dispenser number 1, which is this white top, and then the grinder, which is inside, and then the chute. The chute, I think, is the whole pipe, and then the plunger. The plunger, it's what? Oh, is this thing? This is a plunger, and then the base of it's this, and then the power switch. Yeah, we see the power switch and external cord. Yes, that's pretty much what's here, and also the cleaning brushes. Yes, so I just wanted to do a little bit of unboxing. So when I do something, or maybe if a dessert someday, I'll do a mini video and show you. But if it happens I do a dessert during my vlogmas, I'll also show you. That's pretty much my little unboxing. See you, I'm busy cooking, and then I'll show you what I've cooked later on. Hi guys, another day, another dollar. I just popped to say hi, guys. Don't mind my voice, it's still crusty because I just woken up. It's around 10 a.m. Yes, so today it's a Wednesday, so it's my off day. As I told you that these days are off during the week, guys. I need to take off this hair now. It's saying, you know what, I've been surviving the most. Yes, so today I'm just gonna take you along to the mall. I want to do last minute shopping, yes, for the kids, because some items are going home for my little brother, and then others are gonna stay behind for my child because she's coming, I think, on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, guys. So this is still Vlogmas episode 1, and then we're gonna do the last Vlogmas, which is episode 2. Yes, and then after that, guys, I'm gonna take a mini break, and then I'll come back again, month end of Jan 2025, which will be a new year. So guys, next year we are being hopeful that we're gonna be reaching 1k subbies. Like, we've been at this thing for almost 3 years now, so I'm praying and I'm hopeful that 2025, it's a better year where people will subscribe, you know, the channel will grow, and you know what, we'll be able to also buy gadgets, more gadgets that will help the channel, like hopefully a camera, hopefully I have what's that, a mini tripod, and then I also have a ring light, so maybe I'll try to add other things that I needed when vlogging. Yes, guys. And also, guys, I need a new phone, especially an iPhone. So we'll hopefully see next year if we reach to that goal. We are praying and we are hopeful for that. So let me not waste time. I just finished doing my bed. I'm going to brush my teeth and then have breakfast. After breakfast, I'm going to shower. After showering, take you to the mall, and then when we come back, I think we're gonna close the vlog here so that we could be able to open a new vlog. And then in the next vlog, we'll be doing my hair, we'll be taking my child to do her hair also for Christmas. You know, kids need to do hair for Christmas. And we'll also do, I don't know if it's gonna be possible, we're also gonna do a Christmas photo shoot, which is gonna be happening for the first time with my child, doing a Christmas photo shoot. shit. So I'm still gonna see if I have enough money to buy the PJs. Yeah, or else we're gonna do it with normal clothes. For her it's gonna be new clothes, and then for me it's gonna be old clothes, you know. That's it. But if it happens, I get money, God knows, I'll buy the PJs for Christmas for to shit. Yes, guys, in shopping, Kharajang, and go to the mall. Hi guys, I come back. I could just came back from the mall, and then I went to buy the kids stuff as you saw, and then I also bought meat, and then I came back about an hour ago, and then I air fried a chicken, and then now I need to do a spaghetti and the salad, and then it's gonna be pretty much for dinner and lunch because I haven't eaten lunch, guys. It's so hot. I don't know how many degrees it's there outside, but you know what, it's too damn hot. You can see I'm sweating if I'm showing. Yes, so I'm just here to close the vlog. I'm not gonna show you what I bought this time. It's just few things that I bought from Sports Scene. It's jeans, shirts and stuff. So and also cosmetics, toiletries for my brother, and a little bit of toiletries for my child. But I would still buy more because she's coming, and then she'll choose what she wants or what she uses. Yes, so my brother just told me what he wants, and then I bought it. Yes, so I'm just here to close off the vlog here, episode 1, and then also same day I'm opening episode 2. Yes, thank you for watching, and if you watched up to this far, please send me purple. I'm wearing a purple shirt, even though it's no longer too purpley. Woo! Guys, I'm even sweating in my hands, sorry. So I'm wearing a purple. Give me purple hearts if you made it this far. Bye.